Hello and welcome to Developer Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Hadley. And in this tech help video, we're going to learn how to create a view or a query in SQL Server. So I'm assuming that you've created a database and a table. If you haven't already, watch my prerequisite videos to see how to do that. We created a table in the last video and we added a couple of records to it. Now, just for comparison, we're going to do the same in Access. So if we jump back to our Access one, we'll add a title in here. We'll just do short text, save that, open it up, add in title 1 and title 2. And if we wanted to create a query of this, you could do create, query wizard, query design, SQL query. We'll do the designer, pull in the table, pull in all the fields and run that. You can see we have the ID and the title as we'd expected. So we'll call this temp Q. So you know how to do that. You can watch a number of Rich's videos on how to do that. But how do we do this in SQL Server? Well, there's a object type called views instead of queries. If you right click on that and go to new view, it'll ask you very much like Access does, what types of objects do you want to use to build this view. I'm going to use a table. Click add. Then you can close that, and as you can see, we have a query designer, much like Access has. I can pull in the star to bring all the fields in, and I can check the SQL. I've validated that, and then I can save it. We're going to call this temp Q. Click OK. Close that, and then we can say select top 1000 rows there, and it returns the same data. And you can see that it's created some SQL for us here. It's asked for the top 1000, it's the ID, the title, and it's taking it from the temp queue that we've created. So that's how you create a view in SQL Server. It's very simple at the minute because we've only got one table and a couple of fields, but that's the basics for this lesson. Thanks very much. Bye.